Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very yummy make-ahead turkey gravy. I got this recipe from a sweet viewer. Apron's on, let's go. You'll need 4 turkey wings, about 3 to 4 pounds. I was able to find these smoked turkey wings, and I used these 2 big ones. That's what I was able to find. You're going to put the wings in a single layer in a roasting pan. You're going to scatter some onions on top and roast for 1 1/4 hours, or until the wings are brown. I didn't have to do this technically since these are already cooked and smoked, but I wanted to show you how to do it. When they're done roasting, put the wings and onions in a large pot. I ended up cutting up fresher onions. Add 1 cup water to your roasting pan. Stir to scrape up any brown bits on the bottom, and then you'll add those to your pot. Add 6 cups of chicken broth. Join in 3/4 cups of chopped carrots and 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Then I added 2 medium onions peeled and quartered. Bring this to a boil, and then you'll reduce the heat and simmer, uncovered, for 1 1/2 hours. After that time, you'll remove the wings, strain the broth into the saucepan, and get as much as the liquid out of those vegetables. You'll discard the vegetables at this point. Now you can refrigerate this overnight. That way in the morning it's easier to remove the fat. I didn't do that on this day because I made it the day that I needed it, but I did stick it in the refrigerator for a little while. I removed as much of the fat as I possibly could. You're going to mix 2 cups of chicken broth with the flour. Mix until smooth. Bring the broth in the saucepan to a gentle boil. Whisk in the flour mixture and boil for 4 to 5 minutes to thicken the gravy. That way it removes the floury taste. Stir in the butter and pepper. If you have some tips on turkey gravy, please leave them in the comments down below so we all can have a successful gravy for Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye.